Public policy is the deliberate, authoritative course of action or inaction taken by governments or governing bodies to address public problems and achieve societal goals. It's not just a random decision, it's a structured process involving problem identification, recognizing issues like inequality, climate change, healthcare access, or education gaps. Agenda setting, deciding what gets attention. Formulation, designing solutions through laws, regulations, programs, or incentives. Implementation, putting those solutions into practice via institutions and resources. Evaluation, assessing outcomes and adjusting as needed. At its heart, public policy blends politics, power and values, economics, resource allocation, and administration, execution. It can be explicit, like a new law on renewable energy, or implicit, patterns of behavior that emerge over time. Think of it as the steering wheel of society, guided by evidence, values, ethics, and the needs of citizens. Public policy is one of the most important tools we have for collective progress, addresses market and social failures. Markets don't always solve poverty, pollution, or public health crises on their own. Policy steps in to protect the vulnerable and create fairness. Shapes equity and justice, it influences who gets access to opportunities, education, jobs, healthcare, safety. Great policies reduce inequality, poor ones widen it. Drives long-term transformation, from Malala's fight for girls' education to policies on climate action inspired by scientific courage, policy turns ideas into systemic change. Builds stability and trust, effective policies foster social cohesion, economic growth, and resilience during crises, think pandemic response or economic recovery plans. Reflects and shapes values, it embodies whether society prioritizes innovation, compassion, discipline, or sustainability. Scope. It spans almost every aspect of life: economic, taxation, trade, social, welfare, family support, environmental, conservation, pollution control, foreign, diplomacy, security, technological, AI regulation, data privacy, and cultural, arts funding, heritage preservation. It operates at multiple levels: local, city transport, national, healthcare systems, and global, international agreements like Paris Climate Accord. In essence, public policy is not merely administration, it is the embodiment of our collective will to shape a better future. It reflects who we are as a society and determines what we can become. It becomes a force for justice, innovation, and human dignity. Yet its true strength emerges only when citizens, leaders, and policy thinkers engage with it actively. Public policy evolves toward greater effectiveness and fairness.